support your drive for digital transformation in your company, Sinit Kyonis has developed a methodology to optimize your operational benefits. What is it? The DPA, for Digital Process Assessment. And don't worry, this doesn't mean that you're going to have extra work. In fact, quite the opposite. The goal here is to help you better manage your time and to focus on finding real ways of improving your processes. No, it's not some kind of magic trick. In fact, it's pretty simple. Creating a roadmap, because nobody wants to get lost along the way. This crucial step will allow you to define a clear and efficient vision of your PLM project. Vision means framing. This is the first step in the DPA, and so it's a very important moment to check in with your teammates and with the COMEX. Step 2. Defining the stakes of your PLM project. We will analyze all the key factors of your company, your challenges, your organization, your disciplines, and your information system. Step 3. Thanks to this information, we will improve your processes and find the most appropriate PLM solutions. From this point on, we will build a structured, step-by-step, pragmatic, and cost-effective implementation project. Once you've done these 3 steps, you'll be ready to move on to the final one, which is the operational stage.